In this topic, we'll look at how to connect your data which is on a server. Let me show you how to do that. So go to Get Data, and suppose my data is on a SQL server. So I will select SQL Server. As I said earlier, you should have a proper server name to connect to your server database. So suppose the server name is Power BI training 1. It is just an example. Now the next option, database, is optional. So if you have many databases and out of those you need only a selected few, then you can mention those databases over here. And then when you click on this OK, you will come to this page. Now if your SQL Server database is on a public platform, then you can use this option, use my current credentials. Or the best way is to provide your username and password over here and click on connect. With this, your data will get connected to Power BI. So we'll get a similar preview window as we saw when we connected Excel to Power BI. From there, you select your required dataset you would want to connect to Power BI. So in this topic, we looked at the steps to connect SQL Server to Power BI.